Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this bonus page for Vidgeos. Now, today I'm going to be demoing this new software, and this, on the surface, it looks like a video player, but it's so much more inside. There are so many different interactive elements, and I really like what Vidgeos has done to produce basically a software that will allow you to really target people where they are. So it will translate text, it will automatically translate text, so it'll automatically actually translate the text to wherever in the world that video is showing. So if it's in Russia, it'll show Russian. If it's in Italy, it'll show Italian. Also on top of that, it gives you the ability to really geo-target people across the world. So in Wellington I am right now, it'll show me that I'm in Wellington, it'll show me what the time is in Wellington, what the weather is even, and there's so many different features that this software has that are unique and they'll really make your videos stand out, especially if you're using this to sell products online. So with that said, let's get into this. So this is the video editor inside of Vidgeos. Now I've jumped onto this because I want to show you inside of the software, and down below you'll see more about the actual software itself as well as the special bonuses that are available with it. First of all, you need to create a slide. You do that through the center, then you need to customize the background. After that, add elements to the slide through this panel right here as it's showing me here. Next step, add audio, add voiceover so you can actually create and build your video. Then you can integrate Amazon S3. Now the benefit of this is that when you integrate Amazon S3, the hosting is super cheap. It means that your videos are hosted on your server, so you've got full control over what happens to them, and it means that your videos are going to be really stable, they'll always be up and running, and they'll be really fast. So make sure that you get your access key and your secret key to start creating your Vidgeos. So I'm going to go ahead and get my access keys right now. I'm going to put them in here, and in there's actually a training video here to show you how to do that, so you'll be able to watch this video yourself and go through that. And then after that, when I come back, we're going to go ahead and build out our first Vidgeo. Okay, once you've completed that, then we're now in the editor. Now the editor itself is basically split up into three different parts. We've got this section right here. This includes animated text, image, shape, icons, mail from, that's an email, countdown, you've actually got a live countdown timer that can count down actively inside of the video. You've got time, you've got date, city, country, and social. Now all of this is really quite important. Down here I've loaded up one of the templates. They actually have a number of templates built into the system that you can actually edit in here and you can change as you want. It's as easy as this. You could say, for example, http://backersboard.com. You'd have that entered in here, go, and that could be part of your video. You can move it around, you can edit it, adjust it as you want, duplicate it, or adjust these settings right here. You can bring it back, you can put it forward. It's available through that system. So you've got the slides with your different templates here. Now you can create your own templates from scratch if you want to. These will also have the time. You can see here, this will be the time that's in my local area. All right, it'll actually show and appear to the person that's in the local area what their time is. So for me in Wellington, it's going to show my time in Wellington. If you're in Canada, it'll show your time in Canada on this watch. You can also go to the next slide, which is a template. It'll show a countdown timer, and you can adjust that, and it will actively count down to the date that's assigned inside of the video. Crazy as that sounds, it's actually a smart video technology that will allow you to do that. Now previously, this wouldn't have been possible. No video player, YouTube, none of them would have allowed you to do this. But with this software, you can now actually have countdown timers inside of your videos that run out, and then you can have actions happen when that timer runs out. It's really cool. You've also got the ability to add in images in this side panel right here. New images, audios, and project. So the audios is if you want a backing audio, you want to add in a new audio and upload an audio that you've recorded as well for your sales video, you can do that. If you want to add a new slide, you can do that really easily through here. You just click slide. You can navigate through your different backing tracks you've used, and you can click save and publish to publish. We can also see a preview of these slides. So if I wanted to watch a preview right now, we could go preview, and it's actually going to go and watch or show me what my slides are looking like so far. So we'll just wait for this to load up. And here you go. So it's now previewing the video as we want it to. And it looks great, right? We've got each of our different slides. We can customize these slides as we want. And all of these animations are available through this system, all of them. And you can go through and actually see a live video of your own. Now you saw that animation, you saw how that styled, popped in from, or slid you can adjust any effects of any of the different animations or images here. So say for example, we've got duration, we've got delay, we've got item delay. You can fully animate any part of your text. You can make it falling from the top. So we can actually see that. We can fall that from the top. We can decide that this is going to fade, or we could just have it slide up from the top. And we can also have interactivity. We can create a hover effect as well for this. So you've got it becoming interactive. You can actually add buttons as well, so that when certain parts of the video are selected or clicked, it's actually going to load up a new window. It's going to start a phone call. It's going to resume. Yes, this is entirely true. People can actually click on these videos and it will do something. It'll interact. So you can actually have a button in your video. You can have a call button in your video. All of that will be done within this system. Now let's preview this slide and have a look how it's changed since we just did those additional changes. See, you can see the changes we've made. Animations changed, interactivity's changed. We can adjust this as we want as well, and it's a really easy system to build out videos on. So you could literally add whatever you wanted to this. You can add a voice recording. We could actually enable microphone right now, and I could actually start recording my voice as if I was doing a sales presentation. Hey, this is how you get leads. This is how you do this. And then we could save that and put it Sam's audio. Save. We can do that really easy through this system. And there we are. So we can play this back now, or we could add it into our system. Start recording my voice as if I was doing a sales presentation. Hey, this is how you get leads. This is how you do that. So you can hear that audio, and you can then add that into your different tracks. So we could say backing track. Yes, we want to use one of these. We'll go ahead. We'll add this, add to slide. So we'll add this to the slide. So on that slide, my audio is going to show up for this particular slide. So when we go to this slide, my audio is going to be backing this track on the slide. Now we can also adjust any of the elements of this. We could adjust the background if we wanted to. We could change the colors as we wanted to, and it's effortless. It's really quite easy to do this. Now in this case, it's using an image for a back, so we want to upload our own image or change that in some sort of way. You can see our audio is there. I've added it twice, and we can choose to play the fade transition. We can choose to see what it looks like doing other sorts of transitions as well. So basically what this software is going to do is it's going to give you a way of creating interactive, really great looking videos that look like they're created with Adobe After Effects. I haven't even shown you the biggest feature of this entire system. You've got animated text, okay? You can animate your text. You've got text, regular text. You've got images you can add in. You can add in any images you want. You can even integrate with Usign, all right? You can actually grab images that you have created, and you can see my images that I've created in Usign right here. You can actually add your images that are created in Usign, add them to the system. You can adjust shapes. You can create shapes. You can create backgrounds with these shapes. Look at this. I'm creating a background right now. Check out that. I've created a background and I can send it now to the back. If I go to my project, I can actually choose to, and I'll just choose this background. I can choose to send this background to the back so other objects show over top of it. Through settings, I can bring to back. I can bring to back. There we are. We've adjusted that. We've put it at the back of our text slide. We can grab other elements. So we've got icons here. We can choose from a range of different icons. We can also add into our videos. We can add in mail from. Okay, we can actually add email autoresponder boxes that pop up during the video when we want them to and capture leads. Really cool. If you want to capture leads within your videos, this software will give you the ability to do that really easily. We've got other elements such as buttons we can add into our software. All right, we can customize these buttons as we want, pop them up whenever we want. Countdown timers. This is really cool. You can count down timers inside of the video, making it really easy to do that. Let's create a new slide because that one's getting cluttered. Then what we can do is we can also add in time. We can add in the local time. For me, it's 7 a.m. in the morning here, so we're able to then add in that time. We can customize that time to look as we want, and it will actually animate as well if we want it to. And we can, we'll just make it look a bit nicer as well. Size will make it slightly bigger. We will also change the color of it. And as you can see, it's starting to look really quite, or it will look very, very soon, really quite nice. There we are. So there we go. We can add the time if we want. We can say time in Wellington, your local time, and actually say that within the video. We can also put in the date. So we can actually put in the date. It's February the 16th, 2016 right now. We can also go ahead and we can put in a city, all right? I'm in Wellington, correct. We can also, and we can animate any of these as we want, make them pop up as we want. We can add in country. I'm in New Zealand right now. We can add in a social element. So we can add in social elements so people can actually click on your Facebook button, your Twitter button, your Pinterest. Any of these can be clicked inside of the video. This software, I've never seen anything that does this inside of a video before. Does the local time, picks up where the person is, countdown timers, all of that is available within this one interface. You can add in audio, you can record your audio, you've got images, you've got projects. This is an easy system to use. Now, I've just started using this software. I haven't gone and tried out everything you can do with this, but already I can see it's really easy to use. You can go through, you can create presentations as you want, edit your text as you want, and down below you'll actually see a complete presentation that's done within this software. It's really quite impressive. I love what they've done, and all of it fully editable. All of it looks great, and this is a really, really cool piece of software. So if you want to get access to this, if you want to be able to benefit and be able to create videos like this, I encourage you to go down below, check out all of the information, and I know you're going to love this software once you get in and start using it. Really well thought out. They've got a number of stock images, stock videos, templates you can build as well. And if we go back into create, we can go and I'm just going to go create. I'll create a new video. You can actually see there are a number of different videos that we can create from templates. We could add from template here, and they've got typography material, they've got high-tech templates, characters, animated hand scenes, minimal titles, startup service promotions, restaurant promotions, epic presentation, marketing, product teaser, graphics, and a whole lot more. So you can actually integrate these characters, you can choose certain slides, you can adjust those slides as you want, and this software makes it really easy to build out your presentations. Well, I'm just going to select this one to show you. See, look at this. Add all slides. We can add these types of videos into our video right now. Add all slides. And we'll go back here. If we did full preview, we can obviously edit any of this as we want. We can change this as we want. We can add audio to back it. All of that is available within this system. And here you go. Mike is an entrepreneur. So you could say, Tom is an entrepreneur, or depending on what your name is, you could go ahead and create these different videos with these different animations. So all in all, thank you for watching today. This has been really fun to review. It's been a good software to jump into it and do it. I haven't found any bugs. I haven't found any problems with the software. It runs 100% smoothly, and I know you're going to love it. It gives you the ability to do some stuff you couldn't previously do with video. You can do timers, as you can see. It's 7:36 right now in New Zealand. It's showing me that. You could do where someone's is located, timers, all sorts through the software, all integrated with your Amazon S3, making it easy to host, easy to showcase videos, and you can create high quality, high converting videos within this software. Or for simply entertainment purposes, this is a great software to be able to create videos with that are entertaining and that really engage people through different mediums. So thanks once again. This is Sam Backer. I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.